Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI website called Shopify. So I will explore the good and the bad of this platform, and also we examine the pricing, the features, and how it can stack against other options. So to get started, Shopify is a platform which lets you make your online store. It's like having a digital storefront where you can sell your product. Shopify offers tools to help you design your site, manage your inventory, and process payment. You can use Shopify to sell anything from your handmade craft to clothing or to digital download stuff. Think of it as your all-in-one shop for the internet. There was there's even a Shopify App Store, where you can find an extra features to help you make stores even more better. If you have a physical store, Shopify also has a POS, which is a point of sale system, to help you manage in personal sales. Shopify makes it easy to start and run your own website or your own business online. Now, to get started with the best features about this platform called Shopify. Shopify isn't just a website builder, it's a complete online business platform. It's packed with features to help you succeed. So let's explore some of the best features on this platform. Some of the best, not because it has a lot of best features. So I'm just going to print out one of these best features that make it stand out compared to other platforms. So talking about one of these best features, it has an easy setup and easy use. It's very easy to use and easy to set up. It also have a visible teams where you can easily offer so many professional design teams. So these teams control the look and feel of your store. It also comes with a powerful marketing tools and a secure checkout together with in-app store integration. Now talking about the pricing, Shopify offer different pricing plan to fit various business needs. It also offer a 3 month use for only $1, and here's the breakdown of the current plan. So we have a basic plan which is between $19 to $20. We have a Shopify, another Shopify plan which is between $49 to $50, and also have an advanced features which is between $299 to $399. Now we also have another plan which is a plus plan, which is a plus Shopify plan, and between $2,300 to $2,500. So that's the price range. Now talking about the pros and cons, choosing the right platform is crucial. So we are going to weigh the advantages and the disadvantages of Shopify to determine if this is right for your business. So to get started with the advantages, it is easy to set up and use. It's part of the advantages, and beautiful customizable themes, which is really amazing. Just come with a mobile friendly design and an app store expand functionality, which is super awesome, and a good customer support. Now talking about the downside, the monthly fee can add up a lot of time. Then the transaction fees apply, and the app cost can be expensive. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform, Shopify. Thanks.